So trend following, I'm not a trend trader, I'm the continuation of a trend breakout trader. So in other words, a trend tires, it has a volatile period, tightens up, and then it expands and has a very fast period before slumping back into its grinding up. So on a savings and investment level, I'd be quite happy to be a trend follower. So if, for example, we've said 80s was the beginning of a bull market to today, if you were just net long in your savings investment, investing into a mutual fund, you'd do exceedingly well. So I think it's recognizing that a certain class of asset is long run going to be receiving a disproportionate amount of money towards it. And that's essentially what we've had with equities since the 80s. There's a certain amount of companies. We've had globalization, so markets have been opened up, free trade. Warren Buffett has become essentially a billionaire on being net long, cash generative companies over the course of 5 decades in an equity bull market. And I would say we are in a macro equity bull market, even, from the, in fact, the 60s to the end of the 70s was very, very flat. It was stagflationary. So since then, we've been in a very, very strong bull market. And at the same time, more people are investing and there's more investment products to it, so more money is being aggregated into it. So that would be a trend follow. So it's very macro for me, and it's more position. So you buy and the tendency is I'm holding this for an extended period. Trading is when you're using leverage. So my old mutual fund investment, for example, my mutual fund investment would be just cash. I put 50 quid in and that's how many units I get bought for. Trading is using leverage to magnify smaller captures in price moves. So that's why I trade a breakout strategy. I want to be quickly wrong and out and the pain's over, or I want to have a really powerful move that quickly takes me into profit because I'm using other people's money in that. And then I'm out. I don't wait for the normal trend because the ebb and flow of that normal trend will still have substantial pullbacks. We've just had an 11% pullback in October, but we're back where we were. But with leverage, you can't take that kind of a move to the downside.